Friends, sometimes I drive and it feels like I'm driving on a basin of water. When I turn left or right, I hear a sloshing sound underneath me, as if someone is shaking it in a basin. I have a second-generation Renault Megane, 270,000 miles on the clock. And what's causing this fishbowl under my feet? Sometimes, water even leaks into the passenger compartment. The problem is that the drains are clogged. They need to be cleaned, otherwise you won't have a fishbowl under your feet. Even this can cause the water to freeze in the winter, which can also cause the wipers to stop working, which is also not good. There are 3 drains in the second-generation Renault Megane. The first one is on the right side, as you can see in the video. It gets clogged, but when you clean it, there's a valve cover there that you can basically tear off and throw away. And don't worry, and you can see how the water immediately started flowing when you cleaned it. The second and third drains are located under the left wheel, under the fender liner. To clean everything there, you need to remove the left wheel. Remove the fender liner, and then you'll figure out how to clean everything. There's one drain for the water drain and another for the air conditioner, basically everything. I wish you a dry ride, comfort, and good luck.